All right, Shelby. So here we are back into Dreamweaver. Um, our first task was to create our folders, and then we did our created a new site for Dreamweaver, like establish that. And so you'll see before I even open anything, um, um, Dreamweaver on the right hand side of my screen, it's pointing, like it has this information where I told it to look like. So for the site folder, this is the folder that I directed it to. This is my images. So this little window here will actually update the more like these different pieces or files get built. Okay. Um, so for Dreamweaver, like we have our toolbar, so kind of similar to the other Adobe programs. We've got our toolbar over here. And what we're going to do is it does operate on the Windows kind of system. Um, and we're going to create a brand new file. Okay. So here's our new document setup. You're going to create an HTML file. And here, this is where you'll put the title. I'm going to just put welcome, right? So this will be like your welcome HTML. And then you'll hit create. Okay. So this does look very different than probably anything you've opened in Photoshop or InDesign for sure, in Illustrator. But we're actually looking at the code view for Dreamweaver. Right now, I'm going to just save my file. Just get that done. And I'm going to make sure that I save my HTML file in that folder that I told Dreamweaver to look in. Okay, so I'm going to save this as welcome, and I'm going to hit save. Okay, the code that you see in Canvas, you are basically going to look at that code and copy and paste it in, right? Or copy or by site and type it into this code section. Okay. In Dreamweaver, you'll see that we have up here different views. We have purely code if you just want to focus on the code. We have a split view. And so basically anything that happens, like the code that's happening down here, you can actually see it being reflected up above. So as you're typing, probably once you complete your welcome page, you will start to see this area being populated with information. There's also the live view. So this will show you the live view. I want to say for the most part, I think probably the split view is going to be a good place to kind of work in. So you can kind of see what you are, like a direct result, like what is actually happening as you type. Okay. This area right here, there's, let me move this up really quick if I can. I'm not sure if you can see this screen sharing. I think you can. But there's an area down here. And if you click on that, it allows you to preview what you've done as well in Safari or in Google Chrome. So it's kind of a nice way to see what the website actually looks like, or your web page looks like, and you're going to be able to kind of scroll through and click on the links as if it was a live page. Okay. Right now, everything that we're working on, it's going to be basically local. Local meaning it's all the files are going to reside in your computer, right? In those folders that we set at the very, very beginning. Next week, I'm going to give everybody information where they can actually upload the files, like your HTML files, to an FTP server, so you can actually see the process of uploading something and making it live. Okay. So that's really just like the window. Um, and like kind of, the different just areas of the Dreamweaver page or program. Um, for the next video, I'm going to um, have the welcome HTML up. Okay. All right.